Hi everyone, I've got Mercedes B-Class here on a 2012. Just going to reset the service line. I'm going to show you how it's done. If you get the, make sure all the doors are shut, the bonnet shut, the boot shut. Get it to position 1. As you get, immediately press the call button and press button B together. As you can see on the display, you got vehicle data, roller, pad replacement. Even you can replace the brake pads as well. So if you've got electronic handbrake, you can replace that at the same time as well. So if we go down to Assist Plus, as you can see right there, so the camera's not cool enough. We're just gonna go forward a little bit more. There we go. You can see Assist Plus. Then you gotta press the arrow button, which is this. So if you go back there again, now press OK, go on to full service. Then you can just reset whatever service is due basically. So it was full service was due. I've reset the service to. I'm not going to go in there again. It's just going to mess everything up. But you know, that's all you need to do. For this one, where I've already done it, I can't really click on any of the buttons. But for yourself, when you've done the service, you can do that. Press back now. Now if you wanted to replace the rear brake pads as well, make sure you release the handbrake. Press OK. It just tells you to move to fitting position OK, or to go back cancel. So I can put it onto position now. Just going to show you how it's done basically. That's reached to the position now. As you can see, both the lights have come on. I then do OK again. That's it. Press OK again. Now go back, switch the ignition off. Now all you got to do, just remember when you do put it into fitting position, get out of your car, get to the rear wheels, remove the rear wheels, take the calipers off, push the pistons back, put the new pads in, put the calipers back on, get into the car. Before you pump the brakes, make sure you go back into that same service for brake pads reset thing. Press OK. It will just bring the handbrake back into place, and then you're good to go. And then pump the brakes obviously. That's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.